Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Today we're going to learn something very exciting and that would help you in cracking a conversation in French. Today we're going to learn something very basic that everyone should know. Any guesses? I'll tell you. Today we're going to learn how to greet someone in French. This lesson would be very useful for people who are going to France or plan to have conversations with Francophone people. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. The basic to start any conversation is by saying hi. So, how would you say hi in French? You would say bonjour. Bonjour means hi in French. That also means good morning. So if you want to say good morning or hi to someone, you can simply say bonjour. Other ways to say hi is salut. Salut. Another way to say hi is coucou. So these are the three ways that you can say hi in French to someone. Now, if you're meeting someone in the evening, then how would you wish them good evening? You would say Bonsoir. That means good evening. Bonsoir. And if you want to say nice to meet you, then you would be saying enchanté. Enchanté. That means nice to meet you. This would help you make a good impression in front of someone in French. Now, if you want to ask them, how are you? How would you say that? Any guesses? Let me tell you. You would say ça va. Ça va. That means how are you? Other ways of saying the same is tu vas bien. That means how are you doing? Tu vas bien. Also, if you're meeting a friend and you want to ask what's up, like people ask, then how would you say that but in French? I'll tell you. You'd say quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? That means what's up or what's new in French. If you met someone in the evening and are leaving during the night and you want to wish them good night, how would you wish them? But in French, you'd say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. If you're meeting someone after a very long time and you would say, it's been long, then how would you say that? You would use ça fait longtemps. That means it's been a long time. If it's time to exchange your goodbyes, how would you do that in French? The very first one is au revoir. That means goodbye, and it is the most commonly used phrase in French to say goodbye. Other ways to say the same, suppose if you're leaving and you say see you later, how would you say that? You'll say à plus. À plus. Similarly, if you are leaving and you're going to meet somebody tomorrow, but you want to say see you tomorrow, how would you say that? You'll say à demain. À demain. And another way of saying goodbye is à bientôt. À bientôt. Félicitations! We are done with a few basic greetings in French. I hope this lesson became useful to you. If yes, don't forget to like this video, throw a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're updated with every new video that I post. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is FrenchItWithSim. And I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!